All right, it's Dame the Real Productions here, and in this video, I'm gonna show how the Seaboard block can actually work with Ableton MPE. You know, all the sounds and stuff like that. We're gonna work on the orchestral sounds, and in Ableton, some of the sounds are pressure only. Some of them has slides and pressure. And I think that's just about it. You don't get the 5D, but some of the other sounds was gonna is gonna have the 5D experience. But there's a lot of slide and pressure, with these MPEs, and we have brass quartets and string quartets, like some of the similar sounds in the orchestral library, but it's MPE, so it's kind of like it's cool. You can do movie scores and everything, so it's dope. Without further ado, already dropped the MPE erosion. This one is the brass quartet, the first one, and it has the pressure. So here's how it sounds. And of course, this has a slide also, even though it doesn't say slide, it has a slide also. Has a little bit in there, but it has like a frugal kind of sound, a frugal horn. But I like that low sound. Of course, the sound, like, sometimes needs like to be beefed up, get a little louder. But I like it though. We're gonna go to the next one. It's slide and pressure brass quartet, and we're gonna drop that in. Okay, so it's in there, slide and pressure. All right, so it's cool. All right, so we're gonna end up going to MPE. What's that? Glacial, whatever that means. But we got the glacial MPE with the string quartet, and that only has the pressure sound. So we're gonna drop that in there, load it up. Not bad. I mean, what else we got? Oh yeah, so they also have MPE vibrato. So we're gonna do the MPE vibrato with the brass quartet. So that's like a different effect or a different way of expression. So I'm gonna drop that in. So with the vibrato, I should be able to actually shake, just like this. right, that's it for this video right now. Yeah, I mean it's a good actual addition to Ableton now that the MPE is in effect. I wonder if they sell something that could actually like keep it still from sliding off the desk like as I'm trying to play it, because it's kind of slippery on the bottom, but I gotta find something or find a way to keep this thing from moving when I'm trying to play it. But other than that, it's Dame the Real Productions, sign off. Like, comment, subscribe, or share if you find this video informative, and peace.